Major supply shortages at hospitals has the CDC advising hospitals to use bandanas and scarves as a last resort. And hello again, I'm Steve Rabel.
And I'm Monique Minglaven. That is to treat patients with COVID-19 if no face masks are available. Now, in Washington state, there are a total of 1,524 cases. 83 people have died. We wanted to take an in-depth look at Snohomish County. As of today, that county has confirmed 385 cases. 8 people have died. Of all those cases, 124 people have recovered from the coronavirus so far. Now, we have asked both King and Pierce counties how many people have recovered there, but those numbers are not available. KIRO 7's Dee Dee Sun begins our team coverage live in Ballard right now. And Dee Dee, a sewing store is ready to step up to help with the mask shortage.
Well, Providence St. Joseph has asked for people who can sew to help out and make masks at home. And you can bet the people here at Quality Sewing and Vacuum, they sure know how to sew. So we're still waiting for those kits with medical grade fabric to be distributed. But today, this shop showed me how quick it is to sew something like this, something simple that can be used as a face mask. Quality Sewing and Vacuum is just waiting for the kits that contain fabric to sew medical-grade face masks for Providence Hospital.
We all just want to figure out how can we help, right? What can we do?
Providence recently posted this plea online, asking people who have a sewing machine to make masks in the 100 million mask challenge. The COVID-19 pandemic has decimated supplies at hospitals across Western Washington. This week, we saw nurses hanging masks on the wall for reuse later. Volunteers and hospital staff at Providence assembled plastic face shields. Plus, there are calls for mask donations at multiple hospitals.
It's a very serious situation that we're facing in this shortage. Looking at our own need for these masks, we need 1 million over the next 30 to 45 days.
That's why they're calling out to those who can sew. People who signed up to help will get a kit with special fabric and instructions.
There's a parts list, an instruction list, and also the materials.
So many people rushed to sign up. All 1,000 of the sewing kits available so far have been claimed and just need to be distributed. Each kit can make 100 masks, which will look like this one when done.
The interest has been rather overwhelming, which is really terrific.
Meanwhile, Quality Sewing and Vacuum in Ballard shows us how quick the work is.
When you flip it around, you can see it is starting to look a lot more like a mask.
They and so many of their customers who have these skills
We've signed up.
Are ready to get to work.
Sewers and crafters are some of the most generous people. They love to make things for others. We're trying to do everything that we can to help in this uncertain time.
We even saw a customer come up and buy a sewing machine today just for this purpose. She said she wanted to help out with this cause. Now, all the masks that Providence Hospital gets back will be inspected and sanitized before use. Providence is still figuring out exactly how to distribute those kits, whether they'll be mailed or whether they'll be picked up, but they will be letting the people who signed up know. Live in Ballard, Dee Dee Sun, KIRO 7 News.